Hello friends, so today we are going to talk about voice assistants and conversational AI. Let's start. Voice assistant apps and conversational AI technology are modern technological tools that allow users to easily interact for various tasks. Voice assistant apps. 1. Alexa. Amazon's voice assistant device provides voice services for various tasks. 2. Siri. Apple's voice assistant for iOS devices, smartphones, and computers. 3. Google Assistant. Google's voice assistant that provides Google search and voice assistance. Conversational AI. 1. Conversational robots. These programs are a conversational AI that can interact with users. 2. Chatbots, or automated robots that provide instant message services on online messaging applications or websites. These technological tools allow users to experience easy and simple interactions for various tasks. They are useful for personal assistance, voice control, information access, time recording of tasks, and more. Please subscribe for more informative videos. Thank you.